You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. The meaning is an alphabet book. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. Abecedarium, so essentially ABCD, the first letters of the alphabet. Abecedarium. The stress is on the de syllable. How to pronounce British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Abecedarium. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.